Although hata kama niliishi na ulemavu, nilikuwa tunajitafutia kidogo kidogo.
Instead of me staying here and just looking at my mom, let me just go there. Something might come up.
When we went to Teresia's home, we found her laying in bed, unable to move completely.
So we thought of having medical camps so that we can bring healthcare closer to the people.
When we organize these medical camps, it's really a community coming together.
When we got there, they were I would say that they were very friendly. Up to date, I still talk with Lucy. Sometimes I talk with Daisy. They ask me about the progress of mom, and I appreciate.
Most people are sick and they're at home and they don't know where to turn to because of finances.
Vile nilitibiwa, niliona tena kuna change kubwa. Sababu vile nilikuwa pale, sivyo hivyo niko hapa. Toka pwani hadi nyanda juu, kila moyo unasema tu asante kwa miaka 20.